Hello and welcome back to another cocktail recipe video. If you're new to the channel, my name is Resvold and I post videos on cocktail recipes, bar reviews, distillery tour and alcohol reviews. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do White Russian. White Russian is based with vodka, Kahlua and cream. So if you haven't seen the Black Russian that I have done, I'll leave the link in the description below, or you can check it somewhere up here. It's one of the easiest cocktails. Take your rug glass, add some ice. Add about 40 ml of your vodka. There you go. 20 ml of your Kahlua or coffee liqueur, whichever one you have. And take your shaker again and add some fresh cream, little ice, and give it a nice shake so it becomes nice and frothy, and you gotta float this. After a nice shake, you gotta pour it very nice and slowly over the ice. There you go, guys. Cheers. That's a White Russian. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, drop me a comment below, let me know what you want to see in the next video, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Until then, peace and enjoy.